This is the HBS 18800 Bluetooth Sport Bluetooth headphone. Okay, here we have the soft package. When we open it, then this is the blue headset, and we have a container. This is the ear manual. And we have two pairs of air caps, so it suits for any size of earphone. And this is the charging cable. And here this is the headset, the blue one. Okay, this is a magnetic earbuds. It can absorb the wear, it won't feel down when you running or sports. And this is a power on button. And this is a noise cancellation button, so we have two buttons. Ours is high quality. And here is a charging port. This is answer calls button, and this one is used to play music button. And here is the volume control button. And here is the volume control. Sorry, this is the previous songs or like songs button, and this is the volume control button. The white color, the black color, the gold color, and the red color.